These are directions on how to do your long division maze center. You should have a worksheet that looks like this. It should be double-sided and have both of these on there. And then you also should have a piece of binder paper or notebook paper that you're going to use to put all your work on. There is not enough space on this worksheet to do the work, so you need to have that. And if you turn this in without the work, you will not be getting any points. Okay, so I'm going to start here where it says start. I'm going to be doing 325 divided by 5. So on my extra piece of paper, I'm going to write 325 divided by 5. I like to put these lines right above all of these numbers here so that I know how many numbers I should have in my answer. So here we go. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 5 go into 3? I know that 5 does not fit into 3, so I'm going to put a 0. Now I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 5 go into 32? And let's see, 8 times 5 is 40. That's too big. 7 times 5 is 35, so that doesn't work. So I'm going to use a 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract. Bring down the 5. How many times can 5 go into 25? Goes in 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, and I have zeros. I have no more numbers to bring down, and I have zeros at the bottom, so my answer is 65. I'm going to come up here to check and make sure it's an answer, and it is. So I'm going to go ahead and color in my answer and the problem that I did. So the next problem that I would do is 627 divided by 3. Okay, and all of these should go in perfectly. There should be no decimals or remainders. If you have any questions, talk to the people next to you before talking to your teacher.